Hi, I'm Carl Fox. 12 years ago, we started doing IT security audits for banks and credit unions. To streamline the process, we developed a set of automation tools to do the tedious tasks for us. Now we've made our system available to you. It monitors the security of your network, manages the work to be done, and reports on the progress you're making. The home page is a quick reference screen that tells you at a glance where you stand on security. The very top of the screen will display any alarms you need to act on. The firewall screen shows you what ports are open in the outbound direction through your firewall. To protect yourself from Trojans and botnets, this number should be as close to 0 as possible. The vulnerabilities page gives you a history and a ranked list of where the worst problems are on your network. The devices page lists every device connected to your network, even tablets, cell phones, and machines with lockdown firewalls. If someone attaches something to your network, it will show up here. Keeping track of all the software on all your Windows machines is a huge task. Here you can see at a glance what software is loaded on each system, and it tells you if you have approved it or not. As with every page, you can drill down for more information on pretty much anything you see. Who can log into your Windows network? The Users and Groups pages show you every account, the security groups they're in, where they're logged in, and whether or not you've approved the account. All the setup and most of the power tools live behind the Administration tab. Automation Policy is where you configure the device selection and scheduling of vulnerability scans, patch installation, reboots, and other items. So when Patch Tuesday rolls around, you'll see missing patches start to show up on the Vulnerabilities page and then disappear as your machines are automatically brought up to date. This set it and forget it feature lets you focus on more important work. Our mission is to provide tools you can use to keep your network safe from attackers and to eliminate the mindless drudgery. Let's walk through the process of setting up a simple set of policies so you can see how easy and powerful this system is. First, we'll create a policy to do the vulnerability scans, called Scan Everything. Check the Everything box to get all devices. Then, enable vulnerability scans. Next, we'll create a second policy called Update Policy. We're going to update only Windows machines, which we can accomplish by selecting the domain. I'll turn on Apply Third-Party Patches and accept all the defaults, which is to update any software that's already in place. I'll also turn on Apply Windows Patches and Reboots, which we will disallow between 5 a.m. and 11 p.m. weekdays by dragging the scheduling sliders past each other, like this. Our last policy is Don't Reboot Servers. We've decided to reboot our servers manually, so we select Servers by role, then we'll select Reboot. But we'll change the pull-down to Disabled. Then drag the policy above Update Policy so that it overrides the reboot portion of that policy, and we're done. We now have a fully automated patch application system in place. The only part we have to do is reboot the servers when needed. That's all there is to it. Thanks for listening.